Welcome to another video for Android smartphone. Before starting the video, I request you to please hit the like, subscribe and bell icon for more tips. Let's start today's trick. Today, we are going to learn to open your Android smartphone without using password. If you are feeling distressed to unlock your phone again and again by entering password, then this video will definitely help you. Open your phone settings menu. Find the lock screen option and open it. Here you can see multiple lock screen options. Select Smart Lock among them. Total of 3 types of smart locks available for Android users that will help you to open your smartphone without entering the password. Let us go with the easy and most secure one first, which is Trusted Places. Just click on the Add Trusted Place, but make sure your phone's location is turned on. Select the nearby location only and the trusted place like your home or office among location shown below and click OK. Every time your phone is in the location, the phone will automatically open without entering the password. Another option is on body detection. Once you have turned it on, it will detect the body motion to unlock your phone. For example, if you are in running position, the phone will be unlocked, and when the running stops, the phone will be locked again. The last option is to connect the phone with trusted devices to unlock automatically. Once the phone is nearby or connected with the trusted device like smartwatch, it will be automatically unlocked. These smart locks are very much secure and effective, as these are provided by the Android officials and there is no third-party app involved. An additional trick to check out which application of your mobile uses camera or microphone or location. Go to your phone setting menu. Scroll down and find the privacy option. Now click on the permission manager. Here you can easily know which app is using which kind of resource of your mobile like camera, contact, location, etc. Just click any of these to check details of applications. Here, you can clearly see all those applications which are using microphone of your mobile. Click on the application name to change the permission of that application for microphone usage. Finally, click on the allow button to remove the permission for the application, and the permission will be removed. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the like, subscribe and bell icon.